Hi, I'm Vanessa, and welcome to this week's yoga flow. Today's flow is going to be a goddess flow designed to stimulate the root chakra and the sacral chakra, building some balance, opening up those hips, and bringing some tapas, some nice heat to the body. So you're going to want to save this video because I invite you to do this 3 times during the week to get the fullest benefits of this asana practice. So like, share, and subscribe, and try to get this done at least 3 times, and you will notice a real difference in not just your hips, but your sense of balance and stability. So grab your mat, grab a water bottle, and meet me on the mat. Standing up straight and tall. Inhale, hands come to heart center. Exhale, shifting into your left foot, lifting the right knee for a couple of knee circles here. Now, the width of the knee circles aren't as important as building strength and balance in that left leg as that left foot roots into the mat. Breath and movement. A couple more in this direction, now in the opposite direction. Using your hands, pressing together and engaging your abs to maintain balance. And if you need to hold onto a chair or a wall, that's perfectly fine. Last time in this direction, preparing for tree. Now take your right foot and placing it on your left calf, ankle, or your inner thigh, taking your tree pose variation. Set, maintain the balance. Inhale. Perhaps you grow your tree, find your mudra here. Find your balance and your peace. Breathe. And when you're ready, on your next exhale, we come out of this like we came into it. Take a little shake there, starting on the opposite leg, rooting in the right foot. Hands to heart center. Taking some knee circles in the opposite knee. In whatever direction you choose. Your knee can be as high or as low as your body allows. One more time in this direction. Then we're going to take these into the opposite direction. Don't forget to breathe. I'm always more wobbly on one side. Now preparing for our tree. Take the soles of the foot on the calf, the ankles, or the thigh. Whatever you did on one side, make sure you do it on the other. On your next inhale, extend the hands up. Perhaps you take your mudra here. Find your balance. Breathe. Find peace in your stillness and come out of this when you're ready. Now, take a nice inhale, adjust as we prepare for our next goddess. We're here in Tadasana. Now spread your legs, wide stance, toes pointed out, heels in. Knees bend directly over the ankle. Allow the hips to drop. Your hands are resting on your thigh. Drop that left shoulder towards the center as you turn towards the right. Inhale, opposite shoulder. Now take a couple of these at your own pace, at your own rhythm. Try to keep the hips dropped. keeping the knees directly above the ankles. Pressing the knees and the thighs out with the hands. Don't forget to breathe here. Hands to heart center. And with every exhale, see if your body will allow you to drop your hips just a little bit lower. Don't forget to breathe. We're only here for a couple more seconds. Inhale. Straighten the legs. Heel toe in. Hands on your hips. Inhale, lift the chest, slight back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Hands come down to the mat as you heel toe your legs further out. Allowing the shoulders and the head to weigh down this forward fold. Wide-legged ragdoll. Nice inhale. Now come up to your fingertips. Reach your right hand up towards the ceiling. Left hand stays on the mat. Gazing up at your right fingertips. We're going to take this on the opposite side. Other hand roots. Opposite hand rises towards the ceiling. Breathe, gazing up towards the ceiling. Exhale, return that hand right back down to the mat. Hands on the hips as you lift your torso. Take that right foot, pointing the toes away from you. The right knee bends over the ankle, forearm to the thigh as you extend your opposite hand up and over for side bend. Take your gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Nice strong legs here. Nice strong abdomen. Inhale. We're going to take this to the opposite side. Opposite toes point away from the body. Find your good stance. Knee over the ankle. Forearm to knee. Opposite hand reaches over. Side body bend. Taking your gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, reaching up, preparing for our next goddess. Inhale, intertwine the fingers behind the head. Exhale, side bend elbow to knee on whatever side you'd like. Center, elbow to knee in the opposite side. Try to keep these hips dropped towards the mat. Strong thighs. We're going to take a couple of these. Nice strong legs. Side body twist here. Inhale, take this to the opposite side. Long breath. Inhale, straighten the legs. Heel toe, heel toe. Clasping the hands behind the back. Inhale. Lift the shoulders as you exhale, forward fold. Clasped hands falling away from the lower back towards the shoulders here. Stretching the shoulders, the upper back muscles, lengthening the hamstrings. Don't forget to breathe. On our next exhale, release the hands towards the mat. Inhale, lift the torso. Exhale, forward fold, straighten the legs. holding on to the ankles. As you exhale, drop the hips again. Our final goddess pose. We're not going to be here long. If this is getting a little intense, feel free to place your hands on your thighs just to support your torso, or back down to your ankles. We're not here long. Breathe. On your next inhale, straighten the legs, lift the hips. Heel toe, your feet together into a forward fold. Root to rise. As you lift your hands up for volcano, exhale, hands to heart center. Go ahead and shake all of that out in your Tadasana. Inhale, hands to heart center, and smile. Namaste.